Welcome on Study Time channel. Mathematics for class 10, exercise unit number 5, exercise 5.5. In this video, I want to solve this exercise in examination point of view. Question number 1. We have set A is equal to set A have elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B have elements 6 and 7. From this is we have a function relation from A to B R1. First of all, we have to find is the R1 is a function or not, and if it is a function, and which type it has. So we have to first prove that this is a function R1. For this purpose, we check two conditions. First, domain of R1 is equal to A, and second condition we have there is no repetition in domain of R. We observe that these relations must contain the elements of first element from set A and second element from set B. Now we observe that first element of R1, first element 1, and second element is R1 is 1 is from set A, which is true, and second element is 5 from B set, which is not contains in B. We observe that 5 is not an element of set B, so this relation, this element is not included in set B. Now we check the second element. First element belongs to set A, so it is correct, and second element belongs to set B. It is also correct, but here we observe that this element 1, 5 is not in the set B. So we say that R1 is not a relation, is not a function. It is a relation, but it is not a function. And this is the solution. We write as we in relation in R1 we observe element 1, 5 means 1 belongs to A and 5 belongs to B, and 5 does not belong to B. Hence, R1 is not a function. In R2, we observe that first element 1, 6, second 2, 6, third 3, 7, fourth 4, 7. These are elements belongs to A and B. We have to show them on Venn diagram. It is an easy way. Set A have 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B have 6, 7. And R2 is a relation between A to B. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 7, and 4, 7. We observe that domain of R2 is equal to A. A is completed. R elements of A making pairs, making relation with set B, and no pair there is no repetition in the set A. In A are domain. It means it is a function. Now next we check that what type of function it is. For this purpose we have types to observe. We observe that range of R2 is equal to B. Range covers all elements of B. It shows that R2 is hence R2 is onto function from A to B. In R3 we observe that first element 1 6, second 2 6, third 3 6, fourth 6. We observe that all elements of A approaches to only one element of set B. It means domain of set R3 is equal to domain of R3 is equal to a set A, and there is no repetition, no any element is not pending, and every element have only one relation. It means it is a function. Next we have to show that what type of this function. We observe that range of R3 is not equal to set B. It means there is only one element which makes relation with all elements of set A, and the other element is pending. Its range is not covered the complete set A. Hence this is a function, and it is an into function. It is an into function from A to B.